Hello students. In last class we discussed about cell. As you know, it contains many specialized organelles and each of these organelles perform a specific function for the cell. So in today's lecture we will discuss about these organelles and their functions. Some important examples of cell organelles which we will discuss now are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, and vacuoles. So let's start with endoplasmic reticulum. There is a network of membranes that stretch out from the nucleus. As you can see in this diagram, these are called endoplasmic reticulum. They are of two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Both look similar but have slight difference. Let's understand it. First, we talk about smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is called smooth because it has nothing on its surface. This SCR helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids. On the other hand, rough endoplasmic reticulum is called rough because it has ribosomes on its surface, as you can see in the diagram. And these ribosomes, they are the site of protein manufacture. Some of these proteins and lipids help in building the cell membrane, and this process is known as membrane biogenesis. Now we come to the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So as you know, RER is the site of the protein synthesis, and SCR, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in lipid or fat synthesis. Next function is endoplasmic reticulum helps in intracellular and intercellular transport of substances. In vertebrates, smooth endoplasmic reticulum of liver cells take part in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. So this is the reason why endoplasmic reticulum is important. Now our next organelle is Golgi bodies. Proteins which are synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum are transported to Golgi bodies, which are known as the post office of the cell. Why post office? Because Golgi bodies takes the proteins, nicely packs it up and then sends it off. So as you can see in the diagram, it is made up of many layers, or we can say membrane bound vesicles which are arranged approximately parallel to each other and is known as cisterns. So now we come to the functions of Golgi bodies. It helps in storage, modification and packaging of products in vesicles. In some cases, complex sugars may be made from simple sugars, and it is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. Now what are lysosomes? They are known as the waste bags or waste treatment plant of the cell because they help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. It is possible because they contain powerful digestive enzymes capable of breaking down all organic material. These enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. When the cell gets damaged, lysosomes may burst and the enzymes digest their own cell, and that's why lysosomes, they are known as the suicidal bags of the cell. Structurally, lysosomes are membrane bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes, and they are found only in the animal cells. Now next comes the mitochondria. They are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they give energy on which the cell runs on. It do important function, that is the function of respiration inside the cell, and energy is generated in the form of ATP molecules. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. So, energy is released in the form of ATP molecules. Now, we will discuss about the structure of mitochondria. So, as you can see in the diagram, mitochondria have two membrane coverings. One is it has a smooth outer membrane which is very porous, and the inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds create a large area for ATP generating chemical reactions. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes. So, this is all about the mitochondria. I think it is clear to each and everyone. Now, our next organelle is plastids. They are present only in the plant cells. On the basis of pigments present in them, plastids are of two types, chromoplast and leucoplast. So, first we talk about the chromoplast. Chromoplast contains colored plastids. It is further of two types, chloroplast and non-green chromoplast. Chloroplasts are green color plastids due to the presence of chlorophyll. Non-green chromoplasts, these are of red, orange, yellow or orange color and are found mostly in flowers and fruits. Now, next type of plastid is leucoplast. They are colorless plastids and take part in storage of food materials such as starch, oil and protein granules. They are mostly present in the storage cells of roots and underground stem. Now, our next organelle is vacuoles. So, the question is, what are vacuoles? They are storage sacs for solid or liquid content. Vacuoles are small sized or may be absent in case of the animal cell, while plant cells they have a large sized vacuoles. Now, we will discuss about the functions of vacuoles. First one is they store a number of substances like salt, sugar, amino acids, organic acids and some proteins. Second one is they are full of cell sap and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Third one is formation of food vacuoles occur in many unicellular organisms. Next function is in unicellular organisms, vacuoles help in expelling excess water and some waste from the cell. So, we can say that cell has a basic structural organization that helps to perform functions like respiration, obtaining nutrition and clearing of waste materials. Now, we will discuss about the plant cell and the animal cell. Means what are the differences and what are the similarities between the plant cell and animal cell. So, first we will talk about the similarities. So, both these, that is animal cell and plant cell, they have some common organelles like cell membrane. It is present in the animal cell as well in the plant cell. Then comes the nucleus, nucleolus. It is present both in animal cell as well as the plant cells. Then come the endoplasmic reticulum. It is present in both. Then Golgi bodies, they are present in both. Then mitochondria, it is present in both, and ribosomes, they are present both in the plant cell as well as in the animal cell. So, these are the similarities between the animal cell and the plant cell. Now we come to the differences. So as you can see in the diagram, first difference is in their shape. Animal cell is round in shape and can often change in shapes, whereas plant cell, it is rectangular in shape and cannot change its shape. Then cell wall, it is present only in the plant cell and absent in case of the animal cell. Then comes the vacuole. As you can say, large size or prominent vacuole, it is present in case of the plant cell, or we can say small vacuole, or in some cases vacuole is absent in case of the animal cells. Then comes the plastids. As you can see, these green color plastids having the pigment chloroplast, they are present only in the plant cell and absent in the animal cell. So this is the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. So dear students, this is all about cell, its structure and functions. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you. Goodbye.